Hi to all, hello. My entry to 200k club. PACLOCK USA 90A-PRO. A special thanks to Nigby for this lock. It's him lock. It was him lock. Now it's my lock. And so thanks I say you, Nigby, for your mail box. So I try to pick it now with my tool. It's multi-pick. I don't know why. I don't know why. No, I know why. It's not time. It's not time to talk about this. Multi-pick good too. Good. First ask. Nice. First on the place. For ask. Oh, 7 ask. What's wrong? What is it? I don't know. I have not answer why it was quickly. But now just a moment. I want it will here. Today without multi-pick. Good tool, good. I need practice with this tool, many practice, and my tools I know good. So now I think will be problem with gutting. I'll make this video with high speed in time of gutting, but I don't know if I can to do it. Don't know, because I have any problem. Rotor in this lock, size of rotor in this lock not easy to sorry, I need to close or not. Just a moment. Maybe not, but I know. Okay, good. It's not jump pins because it was yesterday was big problem to make this key forgetting. Nice. Just a moment. I have not something like that for out plug, because size of plug on this lock not standard. Everything is good now, and oops, I need this lock, not I don't want to break him. Yes, because I have just one like this. So maybe it will good. Maybe it will good if I move it here. I think not will any problem. I believe. Yes. It's good. Very not easy to do it. How I do it, I don't know. I don't know this problem. I want to get him. I want to see what kind of pins he have. But it's problem, and I'm afraid to break him. Very afraid. But what I can do, I don't know. I don't know, maybe it will good. It's not for gutting, it's for decoder, from decoder. Okay. I see in YouTube how people make gutting, and I don't have something to put here for driver pins will be down. I see there are many mushrooms. Maybe it will good. If it will good, so it will good. Maybe we try. Six, yes, it's good for no. Of Kaba, yes, of Kaba, it's work. I want to give power on this moment. I'm sorry for no. What is it? Nice and nice. Okay. Just little and little. It's not good. It's not good, but we try. I am not have choice. How I make it, I don't know. Maybe I out this now, and first I need to nice. Why, Hanif? I'm afraid. Yes. Just a moment, where is... I have a little plug, but was like that, but size little. So we try. Nice. Just a moment. I like Copperfield. It's not real good. Up, it was first. I see. Not first, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and there is 1. 1, so it's first. 7 places, first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 6 spins. Oh, springs. Springs I want will be in the rotor. Nice. And now 7. No, this was 6, sorry. Why, little pin. First and second pin. I got it. It's nice. And I want to see if it's have something in the rotor. Oh no. No, not have something. Boom, 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 boom. Just a moment. Very interesting pins. Little. Please, for example, just a moment. I want it to first, second, I don't know what kind of pins. Third spool, fourth spool, and 5 wide rider pin, very high. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.